Do you wake up with tired, puffy eyes, making you look older or more fatigued than you feel? Those stubborn under-eye bags can undermine your confidence, no matter how much rest you get. You've tried cold compresses, expensive creams, and countless remedies, only to be disappointed. Imagine a quick, effective solution that not only tackles puffiness instantly, but also nourishes your delicate skin for lasting results. Introducing PuffLess, the revolutionary serum designed to transform your eye area and restore your youthful radiance. PuffLess works in an astonishing 60 seconds, visibly reducing puffiness and under-eye bags right before your eyes. Its unique, lightweight, and non-greasy formula penetrates deeply to target the root causes of puffiness and discoloration. But PuffLess offers more than just instant gratification. It's packed with a powerful blend of natural, skin-loving ingredients. Caffeine actively works to reduce swelling and tighten the skin, diminishing the appearance of bags and dark circles. Green tea extract, a potent antioxidant, soothes inflammation and protects your delicate skin from environmental stressors. Hyaluronic acid deeply hydrates and plumps, smoothing out fine lines and wrinkles for a revitalized look. Carefully selected peptides boost collagen production, enhancing skin elasticity and firmness over time. And vitamin C brightens the skin, further reducing dark circles and promoting an even, luminous tone. PuffLess is dermatologist tested, hypoallergenic, and suitable for all skin types, ensuring it's gentle yet powerful. It's also fragrance-free, paraben-free, and cruelty-free, aligning with your desire for clean and ethical skincare. Whether you're battling morning puffiness or seeking long-term improvement for wrinkles and dark circles, PuffLess is your ultimate solution. Experience a refreshed, more vibrant appearance with regular use, making tired eyes a distant memory. Ready to say goodbye to puffy eyes and hello to a brighter, more confident you? Unlock the secret to youthful, refreshed eyes today with PuffLess. Click the link in the description below to discover more and get your PuffLess serum now.